Once you get to the dashboard, we find that we've actually done many analysis components. Is there a way to control these components as a whole? Let's say I want to see the data of August. Can all the components display the data of August according to the requirements? In this way, we can achieve the filtering effect of the entire dashboard by adding filter components. First, open the filter component panel, click on year month. Drag the year month component onto the dashboard. Then we choose the table we've been making for analysis, drag the date field onto the field. Then we click OK. This component is already added. Data in time format uses time filter component. Then the data in text format uses the text filter component. If we want to filter according to the product category, then you can click on the filter component, drag the text drop-down filter component onto the dashboard. Then drag the product category of the group sales table onto the field. Click OK. Then we've finished this operation. Now let's start adding the filter conditions. Let's say we choose the data of August 2020. Then look at this dashboard. That is, all components of the entire dashboard have been filtered. But this combination chart doesn't look good when it's filtered, so can we not let it be affected by the filter component? It's easy to implement. Let's click on the time filter component. Select Custom Control Range from the drop-down box on the right. Then we manually check the components we need to control. Among them, we exclude this combination chart. Click OK. Now, let's see that other components are still affected by time control, but this combination chart is no longer affected by it.